2966 3053. Got a mid DPU on him. Uh, 2788 DPU. All right. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me. And if you did, go thumbs up on this video. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I pop up a train video, you'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Wednesday, November the 27th, 2024. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video is over. Have a terrific one, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody.